Hey there shippers, welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to ship using Crane Cargo. Whether you're a seasoned shipper or a first-timer, we've got all the details you need to make your shipping experience seamless and stress-free. Have you been scratching your head trying to figure out the best way to ship packages to Uganda? You're not alone. Many people find international shipping daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Don't worry, because Crane Cargo has got you covered. We specialize in making the complex process of international shipping as simple as possible. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to make your shipping experience smooth and hassle-free. From receiving your items to delivering them in Uganda, we've streamlined every step. First things first, we can receive items on your behalf for purchases made in the USA. This means you can shop from any US-based store and have your items sent directly to us. Yep, you heard that right. Whether it's items from friends or online purchases, Crane Cargo handles it all. No more worrying about how to get your favorite products from the US to Uganda. Here's what you need to do. When you're shopping online, make sure to direct your vendors to address your purchases to our US office. This ensures that your items are sent to the right place for processing. The address is 481 Boston Road, Suite 4, Billerica, Massachusetts. The zip code is 01821. Make sure to double-check the address before finalizing your order. The address should include your name and Crane Cargo. This is crucial to avoid any mix-ups. And in this way, we know exactly who the package is for and can process it accordingly. If you are in Uganda and do not have the ability to place your order, we've got you covered. Our Kampala office can buy it for you. Just let us know exactly what you want to buy, and we can make the purchase for you. Now, once we've got your items, we'll consolidate and package them for you. This means we'll gather all your purchases and prepare them for shipment. If you've purchased multiple items, we'll combine them into one shipment. You'll even get photos of all your items when we pack them. How cool is that? This not only saves you money on shipping costs, but also ensures that all your items are accounted for. For larger shipments, typically over 100 pounds or 45 kg, we have various drop-off points and pickup services across the country. This makes it convenient for you to send bulk items without any hassle. Smaller shipments should be mailed to our main office. You can do this via UPS or FedEx. These carriers are reliable and ensure that your packages reach us safely. When it comes to shipping to Uganda, you have two options: air freight and ocean freight. Each has its own advantages depending on your needs. Air freight is quick, with a transit time of 10 to 14 days, but if you're not in a hurry, ocean freight takes about 3 to 4 months. You can choose the option that best suits your timeline and budget. Our rates typically include customs clearing and handling fees, unless otherwise indicated before shipping. So, no hidden surprises. This transparency ensures you know exactly what you're paying for. Once your items reach Uganda, they'll be available for pickup from our offices in Kampala. Easy, right? Just come, inspect, and collect your packages at your convenience. So, there you have it. A straightforward, efficient way to ship your items from the USA to Uganda. Shipping to Uganda is now a breeze with Crane Cargo. We've taken the guesswork out of the process so you can focus on what matters most. For more information, visit www.cranecargo.com. Our website has all the details you need. Thanks for watching, and happy shipping. Peace out. We look forward to serving you.